All right, third grade, welcome to weaving. So this week we are going to prepare our weaving background. So what we did is we colored, and we just used marker or crayon or colored pens. Markers work really well because this cardboard is corrugated. You can see that it has the markings here, and those show up when you try to use crayon or colored pencil. I like marker a little bit more for this because it covers it up a little bit more. You could also paint this if you wanted to. And then we're going to go ahead and add our color. And we want to take the color all the way to the edge of our cardboard. So you may want to put a sheet of scrap paper down underneath in case you run off the edge, like I do. We're just going to color the white side, not the brown side. You can see that the other side is brown. All right, I'm going to go around my cloud here. And I'm trying to keep my marker direction all going, or my marker lines all going in the same direction so that it looks pretty neat. You could do your background any colored. Mind you that rainbows need a little bit of mist or water and some sunshine in order to appear. So it should be a daytime sky, not a nighttime sky, not a spacey sky, because we don't really see rainbows at night. We don't have that sunlight to reflect the light in order to get the full range of colors that we do during the day. So we're going to add our daytime sky background. Come on in. Notice how I just go right around the cloud and then take it right off the page. I'm still keeping my marker lines going in the same direction. And then we have that. Now, this is about as far as we got in class today. So after that, we took our clay, and you're going to need a piece of strong tape. So something not like clear tape. So if you have masking tape like this works really well. Duct tape works well, packing tape, whatever kind of tape you have. And you're going to attach the yarn that I included in the packet, and you're going to make sure the yarn is pointing down. So it's coming down sort of like a single tentacle on a jellyfish or an umbrella stand. And then I like to use my nails just to dig it into the cardboard, make sure it's nice and stuck on. And then we're going to wrap our yarn around our cardboard backing for today's class. Next week, we will talk about how to set up our weaving, or next week we will get into cloud clay. We ended up postponing it because we had so many people at home in quarantine. So those of you who are at home because you're in quarantine watching this is what we did this week, and we will get you caught up. Those of you who are virtual, you can pick up your kits, and we will go ahead and get you started on weaving. And inside your kit there will also be a clay kit for next week, because we are going to sort of bounce back and forth. We're going to go weaving this week, clay next week, and then back to weaving, and we'll set up our loom when we get it back into weaving. So for now, I've got 2 pieces of tape holding my yarn on. It's all set up. My background is totally covered. It is a daytime scene, so you can see I've got one with some stripes for the sky. I've 2 now with this blue clouds, and our rainbow is going to follow the same curve of the outside of our disc here. So we're going to have a lot of fun once we get into that. This week was kind of an easy week, and I can't wait to see what your background looks like. If you have any